Hey y'all and welcome. Today we're going to make some reusable napkins. So I already have everything. I have 1 yard that I folded into a pretzel, honey. And basically my measurements are 10 by 12. I'm going to cut up off all the excess because I will not be using it. And yes, these scissors are very strong. So I start cutting out the sides as well. And I use anything circular to measure my corners like so. Then we're going to be cutting those corners off. These clips I use, I got from the Dollar General annual sale. They were only 30 cents a pack. Yes. So anyway, as you can see, I already cut it out, and we're going to serge all the way around the corners. And I'm going to be using my brother's machine. And once I'm finished, I'm going to clip it off. And as you can see, I did it in black so you guys can see how great they came out. This fabric I got from Joann, and I'll link it below.